Mediterranean Diet Chicken Breast Recipe. When you adopt a Mediterranean diet, it is important to be creative when cooking chicken. While there are several ways to cook chicken, with a few simple ingredients and kitchen staples, you can create amazing flavours in your own home. Pair these dishes with vegetables, healthy whole grains, and protein such as beans or nuts for a delicious meal that will keep you full without weighing you down with extra calories. Let's look at one recipe here. Mediterranean chicken soup. Chicken soup has always been a good remedy for a cold or the flu, but chicken soup is also a great base for many Mediterranean diet chicken recipes. This chicken soup recipe features fresh herbs and chicken with vegetables to make this an easy meal option that you can add to your normal rotation. Ingredients: 1 small onion, finely chopped, 2 minced garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 950 millilitres of chicken broth, 1 cooked shredded chicken breast, a half a teaspoon of dried thyme, salt and pepper to taste, 3 carrots, peeled and cut into chunks, and 2 medium sliced zucchinis. Method: heat olive oil in a large pot on a medium to high heat. Add the onions and garlic and cook for about 3 minutes, stirring frequently. Add chicken broth, carrots, zucchinis, thyme, salt and pepper to the pot. Reduce the heat to a low simmer. Cover the pot with a lid and let it simmer for about 10 minutes or until the vegetables are cooked through. Add the chicken and continue to cook for a further 5 minutes. Serve with whole grain seeded bread as a delicious starter, snack, or lunch. You can add lots of other vegetables to this recipe to make it into a wholesome stew that will be great for an evening meal. This is only one idea on how to integrate chicken into the Mediterranean diet. There are lots of other ideas out there on the internet. Just remember to keep it simple and serve with lots of fresh vegetables. That just about wraps things up. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.